Hello everyone, in this video we will try to repair and refurbish these two rotary phones. These ones are made in the 70s, I believe. Yeah, I had them in the garage for a while, so time to have a look. This one is a better shape, it's cleaner, as you can see. It has all the cables and stuff. This one is in a bad shape. The line cords and the handset is missing the cord and it's dirty. It says here 74. I'm not sure if this is the year of manufacture. This one says 73. Yeah, I think it's the date code. So let's start with the good one first. We'll take it apart and see what's inside here. This is the ringer volume control. It's all analog, nothing digital here. This is a bell inside, I think. If we knock, we kind of hear the ringing. We have two screws, flathead. That's before the invention of Phillips screws, so that's easy to open. Okay, the screws are out and we are in. As you can see, back in the day, all the devices had the schematics glued at the back. So this is the schematics if you want to have a look. And that's the inside. See, two huge bells. And this volume control just restricts the movements of the hammer or whatever they call it. Yeah, not much here to see. A big coil, two big caps, few resistors here and there, and whatever these are, a transformer here, and these contacts, and this is also contacts. Let me see if we can pull it out. So we have contacts here and here. When you rotate, you can see here this one pulses, make pulses according to the number of that you dial. For example, this is number 1. You can see 1, jump 1, 1. And if we go number 6, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's number 6. And 0, it's 10 times. As simple as that. It's all analog. So this coil is for the bell. Now it's full volume, and if we rotate this, that's the minimum. That's the minimum. That's the volume control. All analog. Yeah, so this one is in good shape. I will just give it a clean, a wipe from the outside. And there's something here, broken piece of plastic. We need to get it out. Yeah, okay, now you can see it clearly. So in the rest position, or whatever if you want to call. So in the idle position, these contacts are like this. When you engage, they go to the other side. And this one, it dials the number. Zero again. Okay, so number 2. 1, 2. Which number is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it's 7. That's the model number, I think. And the speaker and the microphone, you just unscrew these, and this is the microphone. And the speaker here. Have rubber. Now let's have a look at this one. Too tight. Same schematic, I believe. And same model number, maybe. And the constructions also the same. I think the brand name is AWA, AWA. So we have the same brand here. Even though these phones are mechanicals, they never fail. So let me find some cables, some cords, and connect them here and here, so we can fix this one. But first I will give this the outer shell a good wash and then deal with it. Okay, let's find some cords. And here you have it. They are clean. I even installed this. I don't have the same color, so I got this white cord. I use this one because it's thick, similar to the original. Here we are. Thank you for watching.